in this another Jamfet video, I'm going to be giving you the 10 most popular surnames in Jamaica. In number 10, we find the name Richards, which is used to refer to someone from a powerful or rich family. In number 9, it's Wright, derived from millwright or someone who makes things with their hands. In number 8, we find the surname Thompson, which refers probably to the son of someone called Tom in its initial stages. The same for the name Robinson, son of Robin or Robert. In number 6, we find Campbell, which is a Scottish name meaning beautiful field. In number 5, it's Clark. Clark refers to a scribe or a secretary. In number 4, we find the name Davis, which is a modern form of the word David. In number 3, referring to someone of a brown complexion or the clothes that they would wear, is the surname Brown. And the second most popular name in Jamaica is Smith, and Smith refers to someone who would make things by striking or hitting it hard, like a locksmith or a blacksmith. And just before I reveal the most popular surname in Jamaica, please remember to subscribe to Jamfet, celebrating the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad. And the undisputed surname of surnames in Jamaica is Williams. Williams is the most popular surname in Jamaica, and it's used to refer to someone whose father was called William. So these are the 10 most popular surnames in Jamaica according to Jamfet. But if you've got other surnames that you think should have made the list or that I've omitted, feel free to add them in the comment section. I look forward to the discussion below. In the meantime, remember to subscribe to Jamfet, celebrating the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.